PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair operates in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, providing heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services for residential and commercial customers. As a leading HVAC company, we offer timely AC system repair solutions and install all brands of furnaces and air conditioners. We also install humidifiers, dehumidifiers, mini-split systems, thermostats, and air purifiers. Call our commercial HVAC service if you have questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is a commercial HVAC? Commercial HVAC involves heating and cooling large buildings like businesses, restaurants, rental properties, hospitals, schools, and more. Commercial HVAC is much larger, more powerful, and more complicated than residential. What is a commercial split system? Commercial HVAC split systems usually heat and cool, eliminating the need for heating equipment. Split systems can be single or multi-split. One compressor and evaporator comprise a commercial split system. What is your service area for the Glen Mills, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC have helped clients in Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadsford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Birmingham, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Garnet Valley, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your Glen Mills, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website www.pjmachvac.com/Baltimore-Pike-Glen-Mills-HVAC-service.